Syokimau is one of the best upcoming middle-class localities to live in. It has been zoned very well and it contains a lot of gated estates which are very secure and very serene. This locality is only 15 to 20 minutes away from JKIA International Airport. The area has a very good access roads and it enjoys access to the best social amenities. From here, you can get to the best malls. The express highway is just nearby, and also you have a very good access to schools and other recreational facilities. The development and the construction quality has improved drastically, and the developers are working 24/7 to make sure they catch up with the developed areas like Lavington and Kilolesho. Due to that growth, there is a great mushrooming of new development inspired by different cultures and different backgrounds. This is one of the developments, and it is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansion with a plinth area of around 410 square meters. This unit has been constructed on a 50 by 100 lot. The unit has partially been inspired by Ethiopian cultures, but many people are saying that this unit has a Nigerian touch. Let's discuss below and tell me what you think about it. From the entrance, you can see you are getting a sliding gate done very well. The unit has been surrounded by a perimeter wall, which also comes with a razor wire and an electric fence. For only 31.5 million Kenya shillings, this is a lot of house. And when I take you inside, you will see how the developer has utilized the spaces and the size of rooms he has given you. As you can see from the entrance, you are getting this cobble pavement, and it is opening to the parking area on that side. The parking area is supposed to fit your 2 cars, but if you have more, they can always fit in this space. You are getting a mini garden over here, a hallway that is taking you to the rear garden, and on the other side, you can see that the unit comes with a beautiful facade. This block at the entrance is weird to me, but it is a design. If you appreciate it, you can give us a like. One of the biggest reasons you would purchase a unit for that 1.5 million Kenya shillings is to make a statement. And this entrance porch does exactly that. It is massive, beautiful, different, and welcoming. I'll take you inside. The door welcomes you to the foyer of this unit. This is where you get introduction of every space in this unit. On this side, you have the guest bedroom. Next to it, you have a staircase that is supposed to take you to the upper level. And on my far front, the foyer opens to the living room. From that side, you can see the expansiveness of this living room. It has been done very well. I like how the developer was very keen on the details of everything. The ceilings are very high. He made sure that he added these recess lights, add some side lights to make sure that your night lighting is very well done. I'm loving the center light, and this circular pattern is also adding to the aesthetics of this living room. On my far right, you have these 2 poles, and they have been designed to give the area under the staircase enough light because that area has been decided to act as an extra storage. The living room is getting these 3 big windows for enough natural light. On this other side, you have the focal point of this living room, and the developer made sure that he added DSTV and internet to make sure you do not have to do any extra installations for your entertainment space. On this side, you have the dining area, and it has been denoted by this small lip that separates the dining area from the living room. Here you have intercom, and it has been connected to the gate and to the cameras that will be installed in this unit. The dining area is massive, done very well. This would easily fit a 10-seater dining set, and you are also getting a vanity on this side. The dining area also comes with 2 big windows for enough natural light. This one also acts as an access to the rear side of this unit, and before we see all that, you are getting these 2 plants to improve the aesthetics and the beauty of this space. For 410 square meters of livable space, a lot of 5,000 square feet, this is a standard garden that you would expect to get. Right now, I'm standing on the extra underground tank that you get in this unit. You also have some tanks on the roof deck. We will see that later. And this unit comes with a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom employee quarters, which is on this side. On the far end, you have a space that has been reserved to act as an extension of the laundry area. We will see the rest of the laundry area next to the pantry where you are supposed to do your washer and dryer. From the rear side of the unit, through the dining area, right now we are in the kitchen of this unit. I'm loving this platform because it would act as a very good minibar or a breakfast table. On this side, you have a space that has been reserved for your double door. The cabinetry have been done very well, and you are getting an extra space here which would act as a mini pantry in addition to another pantry that we will see in a minute. This other area has been reserved for all your storage, and this is the space where you should do your crockery and your cutlery. This is normally used for spices or anything you would want a quick access to. Behind me you have your washing area, and it comes with a double sink. Next to me you have a space that has been reserved for your dishwasher, and this other side has been reserved for your cooking. A 6-burner cooktop will be installed here. This is where you will have your heat extractor, and these 2 spaces have been left for your oven and a microwave. One thing that I'm very sure that all of you have noted is that this kitchen comes with an island. This one is very useful, especially in the modern family where one person would be preparing the food over here and the other one would be cooking or washing the utensils. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the color of this kitchen. Is green my favorite color? No. Do I like this kitchen? Absolutely. Are you supposed to like this kitchen? I don't know. Do I care? Yes. So make sure you comment down below what exactly you feel about this space. This door is opening to the pantry of this kitchen and also the laundry area. Let's see that. This door opens to 2 spaces. This is the laundry area of this unit where you are supposed to do your washer and dryer, and where the videographer is, you have an extra door that is taking you to the other part of the laundry area, which is outside. I showed you that earlier. Next to me, you have another door that is opening to the pantry of this kitchen. It hasn't been partitioned yet, but the developer will do that immediately you purchase this unit because he won't do it according to your own preferences. That's all about the common spaces on this level. What we need to see right now is the private spaces, starting with the guest bedroom, which is on this level. Then I'll take you upstairs where we will see the other 3 bedrooms and the family room. At the entrance of the guest bedroom, you have the guest bathroom or the visitor's bathroom. Done very well. It is big enough for all your bathroom activities. I'm loving one thing, that every bathroom in this unit comes with a bidet sprayer. The guest bedroom is the tiniest, and that is how it is supposed to be. It comes with its bathroom here, not the biggest, but done very well. On my far front, you have the guest sleeping space. What you are getting in plenty is the size of this closet and its compartment. It has been partitioned very well, and you're also getting some partitions up there. The guest bedroom comes with 2 big windows for enough natural light, and you have a space here where you can add a small TV. The distribution of lighting in this foyer is making this space look very beautiful. I'll take you upstairs. For the people who enjoy the short form videos, make sure you check out our TikTok or our Instagram, African Real Estate. And for the people who want to sell their units or you want to buy other units which are alternative to this, make sure you go to our website, africanrealestate.com. Right now we are in the family room. It has been done very well, and one thing that I like about it is that it comes with its own balcony. This balcony is giving you a good view to this side of Syokimau, and from here you will enjoy the beautiful views of the developments that are coming up on this area. This side of the family room is supposed to act as the prime focus, meaning that this is where you should do your 75-inch TV or other electronics. That means that you can do a seat over here, another seat over there, add a good small seat on that side, and watch TV facing this way. That makes it very interesting because you will not have to see everyone else who is using the staircase. Here you have the second bedroom on this level, and the first bedroom on this level is on my far right. Where the cameraman is, you have an access to the primary bedroom, and let me tell you, that bedroom is massive and very well done. The only thing that I want us to discuss right now is the quality of these doors that you are getting. First, they are hardwood, mahogany, and done very well. The weight of this door gives you a very clear indication that this developer was really focused on security and the strengthness of this structure. As we are in the first bedroom, let's talk about a common design that is coming up these days. You see, this bedroom and the second bedroom share a balcony here. We will see that later. And it is a massive balcony, and that makes it also very easy to access the second bedroom from the first bedroom. I'm not very sure if it's a good concept, though it is very common these days. What I like about this bedroom is the floor to ceiling cabinetry, and it has been done very well and partitioned very well. You are also getting two drawers down there, and as you can see, the internal side of this cabinetry is pure white. This bedroom is getting its right from that transparent door and a massive window on my left hand side. Let's see its bathroom. This bathroom has been done very well. It is very long and it comes with a massive window for enough natural light. You do not have to switch your lights on when you are showering in this space. At the center you have a WC. On this side you have a small vanity and a small cabinet for your toiletries. From the first bedroom, we are at the shared balcony, and this is where you can get the best views of Syokimau area. This area is highly developing, and the buildings, homes in this area are very posh and very modern. Here you have a massive window to the second bedroom, and you also have an access that can be used to access this bedroom. The second bedroom has adopted a similar concept to the first bedroom. The only difference is that this bedroom comes with a slightly smaller bathroom, and its main entrance is over here. The primary bedroom gets a mini foyer over here. On my left hand side, you have your sleeping area, and on my right hand side, you have your walk-in closet and the primary bathroom. The primary bedroom is massive. It has been done very well. It comes with a massive window on this side, and you are getting the biggest floor-to-ceiling window on my far front. This window is also giving you an access to the primary balcony where you enjoy the best views of this area. As you can see, the space is big enough to fit a 6x6 bed, a custom-made bed or a king-size bed. Let's see the balcony. This is one part of the balcony, and it comes with a set of sockets to make sure that your devices are fully charged, especially when you are resting on this space. The balcony has an extension on this other side. From here, you will get the best views of this locality. The area is very developed, and the air is very fresh. Let's see the walk-in closet. The wardrobe starts from this end all the way to this other end where you have the dresser. Everything has been done very well. The closets are floor to ceiling, done very well, and the partitions are perfect and precise. Interesting. The dresser is over here. What is missing is a mirror. I don't know why the developer forgot about that. On this other side, you have an access to the primary bathroom, which gets a double vanity, a massive, beautiful, big mirror. A WC is at the center, and this space has been reserved for your jacuzzi. This other space is where your shower cubicle will be made. The roof deck of this unit has two parts. You have this side and you have the other side. On this side, you have this Pangora terrace. You have an office here, and on my far end, you have an extra bathroom. As you can see, the space has been built very well. If you would want to do solar panels, this is where you add them. And if you enjoy doing some outdoor catering, birthdays, or some good events with your friends and family, this is a perfect space for that. This is the other side of the roof deck, and what you enjoy here is the beautiful views of this Syokimau area. On this side, you have the control room where all the security machines will be installed. These spaces have been left for all the flowers or the plants that you would want to plant on the roof deck. We have come to the end of the tour and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase this unit, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. As always, this is Mungai Kihara and you are watching African Real Estate. Bye-bye.